Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to turn off the Auto Delete Activity feature on Gmail. This is a crucial step for anyone who wants to keep their activity history intact. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your Google account so you can access the settings. Next, look for your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a menu. From this menu, select Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to your account settings, where you can modify various preferences. Once you're in your Google account settings, navigate to the Data and Privacy section. This area contains all the options related to your data management and privacy settings. Now scroll down until you find Web and App Activity under the History settings. This section allows you to manage what Google saves about your interactions with its services. Under this setting, you will see an option for Auto Delete. Click on it to access the Auto Delete settings. By default, this feature may be set to delete older activity automatically after a certain period. Here's where we make the change. Select Don't Auto Delete Activity. This option ensures that your activity data will remain stored indefinitely until you decide to delete it manually. After selecting this option, tap on Next to proceed. You will then be prompted to confirm your choice. Simply click on Confirm to finalize the change. Finally, tap on Got It to acknowledge that you've successfully adjusted your settings. And that's it. You have now turned off the Auto Delete Activity feature on Gmail. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Gmail activity remains accessible for as long as you need it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.